Hey Russell fam, in today's video I'm going to talk about why I switched from My Father's World Language Arts to Growing with Grammar and Winning with Writing. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. If you are new, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom if that's the kind of content you are interested in. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you homeschooling tips and tricks that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. In today's video, I'm going to show you why I switched from My Father's World writing skills and My Father's World language arts to Growing with Grammar and Winning with Writing. Now, as a homeschool mom, we have the flexibility to be able to change curriculums when we see something's not working, even if it's in the middle of the year. As a homeschooling mama, that's what we get to do. If we see it's not working, we're not going to sit there and just keep making our kids use it over and over and over because they're not learning anything and it's just miserable on you, it's miserable on them. So the best thing you can do is research and find something that goes along with their learning styles. So what works for one child may not work for the other. But if you've been to my channel for a while watching these homeschool videos, you know I love My Father's World. I've used it since Bailey was in kindergarten. He is now in 6th grade. I used kindergarten with Becca and 1st grade with Becca, and we will be using My Father's World 2nd grade. But the things that I have learned that work well for Bailey are also going to work well for Becca. They have the same learning styles. They have my learning styles, and that's just how it works. But not every child is going to have the same learning style. So just know that, and know if you have a curriculum that isn't working, it is okay to change it. Just put it aside or sell it. If you have another child coming up right behind them that you think it may work well for them, then save it. But if you don't think it's going to work, there is always homeschooling mamas always looking for used curriculums because we're always looking for ways to save money. So let's turn this camera around and I'm going to show you the difference in the two and why the new curriculum works better for us. Okay, I got the camera turned around and now I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about of the differences of My Father's World versus the Growing with Grammar. So let's start with the My Father's World, and we're going to show you where they are talking about possessive nouns here. Possessive nouns, and it's just showing you this example, and it's telling you that it says possessive noun here. And then you turn over to finish, and it just shows you some more examples of possessive nouns this way. And it says see answers on page 131. So we'll flip over there and I'll show you the answers. All right, so there is the 3 little answers that it tells you for possessive nouns. So there was not much in depth over there with the possessive nouns. It just kind of showed you short and to the point what a possessive noun is. And then the next day we move on to something completely different. And that is why I had to switch from My Father's World. Now, I love My Father's World. I still use it for everything else. But, you know, for, let's see, lesson 27, here we're doing sentence combining. And then on lesson 28, which is the next day, we're reading a poem out loud. And so it's kind of jumping all over the place. It's not staying with one thing, and with Bailey and Becca both, they need the repetition. So let's jump over here to, let me show you Growing with Grammar on their possessive nouns. So there are possessive nouns here. They show you possessive nouns. They tell you what it is, a little more in depth or a little easier to understand. It shows you that here are some examples of singular. Then it shows you what singular possessive is. And then you flip it over. And then it talks about plural possessive. Plural and then plural possessive. In the My Father's World, it just kind of just told you possessive nouns. It didn't tell you if they were singular, if they were plural, or any of that type of stuff. And then you get down here and it's talking about plural possessive with your apostrophes and that type of stuff. So, growing with grammar. And then over here is something we're still talking about, our growing with nouns. But this goes more into depth, and there is a workbook that goes with it. I'll leave the flip through and do a lesson with us up at the top if you want to see that. But I just wanted you to kind of see the difference in the two with the growing with grammar and that part of it. Now let's show you the writing. Here is the writing skills for today, which is the My Father's World curriculum. And by any means, I'm not saying that My Father's World is bad. I'm just saying it did not work for us. And I tried it for a couple years and it just wasn't working. So I had to find something different to fit Bailey and Becca's learning styles. So here we're going to flip over, and like here, we're going to write about furniture organization. So here, Bailey did this on a separate sheet of paper, which it tells you to do in here. And it says when you're writing that you need to include what the kind of pieces, the color, the placement, the materials, and that type first. And then it says your first job is to list the items in your living room, count the total. So that's what we're doing there. And this is a totally different lesson on the next day. So that's where you write your totals and things like that. So this is 2 different days worth of lessons that they were doing with My Father's World. And then the next week, because you only did this writing 2 days a week, so Thursday and Friday you were supposed to do those 2 lessons, and then the next week on Thursday and Friday you were supposed to go back and remember what you did the week before and then come back over here and write it. Well, that just did not work. So let's go to winning with writing. All right, so the winning with writing, we're going to go to one of their lessons where we're talking about pretty much descriptive writing, and that's what we were talking about over here on My Father's World, because we were talking about our furniture. Well, if you look at lesson 10, day 1, it goes way in depth on what you're supposed to do. Then it gets down here into outlining your process of how you're supposed to write it, not just here's what you're going to write about, let's write it. So day 1, they tell you exactly what's going on, your main topic, and then here's your outlining process. It tells you how to do your outlining process. If you need more help, go back here to the appendix and look, and it will show you that. And this is what I love so much, because this is helping Bailey learn how to write paragraphs, how to lay them out, how to think, how to organize his thoughts. So it shows us here that this is our rough outline, but we're going to do our topic. And then we have our subtopic, and then we're going to write details on that subtopic. And then here we have another subtopic and our details, and then subtopic and more details. I love this because it's making him lay everything out and not just saying, like right here, you're going to go here to this, and then you're going to go over, and then you're going to write it. And that's just not working, did not work. And then you come over here again, and here's your final outline. Then you do your introductory paragraph, and then you turn them into sentences, and then some more sentences. So you take your ideas and then turn them into complete sentences here. And the same with your other subtopics. And so you're doing all of this in 1 week. You're not just doing 2 lessons and then 2 lessons, and it all goes together. So then we finish writing everything into our sentences and our outline. We do our conclusion paragraph. Then you turn over here to day 3, and here's your rough draft. You are going to write everything out, copied from the other pages that you did the day before. And here's where you're going to write it out. And then you get over here to day 4. You're going to edit your rough draft. And day 5, here is your final draft. So we have 5 days of continuous on the same thing and not having to remember what you did before. And it walks you through step by step, and it does this through this entire Winning with Writing. So I am in love with Winning with Writing. I have more flip through videos I can leave up at the top if you want to learn more about them. So I hope this video helps you to understand why we switched from My Father's World Language Arts to Growing with Grammar and Winning with Writing. I hope this video has given you some information to help you make a decision on which curriculum works well for your family. If you have any questions about the curriculums, drop them down in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer any question you have. So, as always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.